Masakit sa trabaho. Di mo yan mapapasa sa iba.
Kaya makakaasa ka sa bilis galing ng Acetafane. Dahil ito ay paracetamol na pinabilis ng caffeine. Sa headache o pain, magbilis galing Acetafane. Oh, bilis galing ha?
Good afternoon everyone! Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat and welcome to the undeniably unforgettable experience brought to you by Bilis Galing Acetafane. So my name is Brian and today it's extra special because we have with us a true powerhouse of the entertainment industry. He's not only multi-awarded actor but also one of the most sought-after leading men today. Known for his undeniable talent, charm, and versatility, so he continues to captivate audiences across all platforms, whether it's on television, film, or even social media. From his intense role to his charming performance, he's truly known how to leave a lasting impression. So ladies and gentlemen, it's time to welcome the one and only Dennis Trillo.
Hello, kumusta po kayo lahat? Magandang hapon! Gusto ko kayo, sana okay kayo. Sana ang lahat ay walang sakit ng ulo. Pero kung meron man, ito mata ko, para sa mga tao, palaging may sakit ng ulo para sa inyo lahat. Yeah! Hindi na makakanta sa baba, para sa akin. Maraming salamat ulit sa inyo lahat sa Water Sons at syempre sa Acetafane. Sana magustuhan nyo niya. Hindi pipiliin kong mag-isa. Hindi naman
O diba? Malapit na.
hindi